Jubilant Athletic Bilbao players celebrated their first title since 1984 by sailing on a barge called La Gabarra along the Nervion River on Thursday, April 11. Athletic supporters crowded the banks of the city river under sunny skies following their side's 4-2 win on penalties against Mallorca last Saturday, April 6, which ended their 40-year trophy drought on a nerve-wracking night in Seville. Fans showed out in force on the water as well, sailing alongside the squad who navigated their way along the river on the pontoon boat with the trophy. Athletic had been through years of heartache, having lost their previous 6 consecutive Spanish Cup finals and a Europa League final to Atletico Madrid in 2012.